Hi there. Hey, this is Craig again. I'm on the Tayana. I thought I turned the hot water heater on and just remembered that I had it on for a couple of days on electricity. So I'm just going to, I filled up one of the water tanks, so I'm not going to run out of water. So I thought I'd just run that, show you what the temperature is. See if we can get this into focus. There we go. Oh, there we go. Anyway, see if I can keep that in the water. It's not scalding hot. It would be. It's basically set at. It would be needing to add a little bit of water. There it is, about 105 degrees right now. So maybe a little bit less since my hands and my fingers are touching the top part. But anyway, wanted to show you that it's working. It is warm. You won't burn yourself, but it's warm. You'll probably, if you're taking a shower, you're probably gonna mix a little bit of cold water in there with it. We're gonna get this thing back up where it was. Make sure it's not. No, we still got hot water. Yeah, there's at 90 degrees. Was it 102, 104? There it goes. That's better. So anyway, you have hot water. I know we probably moved right past that like we did the refrigeration, so I thought I'd just send that to you. Better to have some good news too. Alrighty, signing off. Here's a video of the inside of the boat. Oh, I know. That little Marlon valve is right here. It's something you could do. Again, this is above water through hull. Marlon valves, I just replaced about 9 of them in my little 30-foot boat. But yeah, it doesn't have a valve on it, it's just a through hull. So you could do that yourself, or the yard's going to charge you a couple of $100 to do something like that. So, but you can do it right in your slip. Alrighty.